Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to draw your attention. If you are a VPN user, then you have to pay attention to this video, right? Okay, sometimes when you on your VPN to access a particular website or a particular application, you found out that after you have accessed that particular website or application, they will end up blocking your access next time. What it means is that particular VPN you used is not strong enough to protect your location. So your identity, your real location displayed in that website, and that is why they tracked you and they blocked your access, right? So how then do you know if your VPN is strong enough or not? Right now we'll be going to a website. So let's go to a website. Here's my Chrome. This website is called Whoa.net. Look at it, Whoa.net. WHOER.net. So in this website, as you can see, the disguise here, your disguise is 90%. Then you can see the ISP. Now you can see the ISP is showing this, and also your DNS is showing United States. Then the disguise is 90%. So this is a free VPN. If you are dealing with a paid version of VPN, you will see sometimes the disguise will go up to 97, 98, telling you that you are fully protected. Now let's check for another VPN, because I just on Thunder VPN. So this is Thunder VPN that gave us this disguise. So and the VPN is on. So I want to disconnect. It is connected. I want to disconnect. So I will disconnect. Then I will go to Express VPN. So return to home. This is my Express VPN, and this is, I selected US New York, right? Then I will now on it. So let's go to my Whoa.net. So Whoa.net is where you go, you confirm. Okay, let me refresh. I just have to refresh it. Okay. So can you see? So Whoa.net is still giving me the same disguise as 90%, right? I hope you can see that. You can see the ISP, you can see the browser, then you can see the IP here. Now the essence of this video is for you to confirm that whenever you want to access any website and you are using a VPN, try as much as possible to come to this particular platform to confirm if the disguise is up to 90%. If the disguise is below 90, 70, 60, 40, it means that you might possibly be restricted to access that platform. Even if you have access the first time, your real location will be displayed there, and you won't be allowed to access it next time. So the essence of this video is to show you a platform where you can use to track the record of your VPN before accessing any platform, to know if it is strong enough for you to go or not. If you find this video helpful, please support me by subscribing, share, like, and also drop a comment. Thank you, and see you on the next one.